How much should you actually spend on Rg6 cables for the internet? It's interesting how some people are satisfied with the cheap options while others return the pricey ones. The truth is, price doesn't always equal quality, and today we're diving into the best options for you. Product number 1, G-Plug 10FT Rg6 cable. First up, we have the G-Plug 10FT Rg6 coaxial cable. Priced at just $9.99, this product caught my attention with its solid ratings of 4.7 stars from over 27,000 reviews. If you're looking for a reliable cable that delivers high-speed internet and supports digital TV without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. With its 75-ohm rating, you can trust that it'll handle your internet needs seamlessly. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, from cable modems to satellite receivers, meaning you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. The solid shielding and durable connectors help reduce interference, which is crucial for maintaining a strong signal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A good connection means smoother streaming, faster downloads, and fewer interruptions. Now some people complained about the length, saying it's not long enough for their setup. Here's the thing though, 10 feet is usually adequate for most home configurations. If you need something longer, you can always consider the next product on the list. This is perfect for you if you need a solid, short cable for easy connections. Skip this one if you need a longer cable and don't want to deal with extensions. At $9.99, it's a great value for reliable performance. Now, if that short length bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, G-Plug 50FT Rg6 cable. Next up is the G-Plug 50FT Rg6 coaxial cable, priced at $17.99. With the same impressive 4.7 stars from 27,000 reviews, it's worth considering if you need more length without compromising quality. If you want a longer cable that still supports high-speed internet and digital TV, this is definitely worth a serious look. It maintains the same high-quality features as the 10FT version, like 75-ohm impedance for stable signals and broad device compatibility. The solid shielding and durable connectors also ensure minimal interference, which is especially important for those long runs. This means you can position your devices wherever you want without worrying about signal drops or lag. Here's why this matters for you. A longer cable means more freedom to set up your entertainment systems however you like. However, a few users pointed out that the cable can feel a bit stiff, which makes installation a bit tricky in tight spaces. But honestly, many cables tend to be like this, and once it's in place, it performs excellently. This is perfect for you if you have a larger space and need to connect devices that are farther apart. Skip this one if you need something more flexible for tight corners. For $17.99, it's a solid investment for your internet needs. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a budget-friendly alternative. Product number 3, G-Plug 6FT Rg6 cable. Moving on, we have the G-Plug 6FT Rg6 coaxial cable, priced at just $9.79. With a 4.7-star rating from 27,000 reviews, this shorter option is ideal if you only need a quick, reliable connection. If you want something compact that still delivers high-speed internet, this is worth considering. What's appealing about this cable? The 75-ohm rating ensures that you're getting quality signal integrity, and it's compatible with a wide range of devices too. If your setup is close to your modem or TV, this length is perfect, and you won't have to deal with excess cable clutter. This matters because a tidy setup not only looks better, but can also improve signal quality by reducing the chances of interference. Some reviews mention that the connectors can be a bit hard to fit at times. I'll be real with you, that can be true. But once it's in, it stays put, which is what you want for a reliable connection. This is perfect for you if you have a small setup or need a straightforward connection. Skip this one if you need a longer reach. At $9.79, it's an excellent budget-friendly option. Now, if you want something that's even more versatile in terms of length, check this out. Product number 4, Nixto 3FT Rg6 cable. Next is the Nixto Rg6 coaxial cable, available in various lengths including this 3FT option for just $5.99. It holds a solid 4.7-star rating with over 850 reviews. If you're looking for an affordable option without sacrificing quality, this one deserves your attention. Why should you consider this cable? The gold-plated F connectors ensure minimal interference and maintain a robust signal. Plus, the weatherproof design is a bonus, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This matters because you can trust it to work well in various settings, whether it's a home theater or a backyard setup. However, some users noted that the 3FT length might be too short for larger areas. Here's the thing though, if you're setting up a close-range connection, this is perfect. You save on space and avoid cable clutter. This is perfect for you if you need something compact and reliable for close connections. Skip this one if your devices are spread out. At $5.99, it's a fantastic value for the quality you get. Now, if you want a bit more length with the same quality, check out this next option. Product number 5, Nixto 6FT Rg6 cable. Finally, we have the Nixto Rg6 coaxial cable in a 6FT length priced at $7.99. With a similar 4.7-star rating from over 850 reviews, this cable is a well-rounded option that balances quality and length. If you want a dependable mid-range cable, this might be just what you're after. What's the deal with this cable? The 75-ohm copper core ensures you're getting top-notch signal integrity, which is crucial for high-speed internet use. Plus, it's weatherproof, making it suitable for various setups, whether indoors or out. This is super important because it means you can set it up without worrying about moisture damage. One downside some users highlighted is that the connectors can be a bit bulky. But here's the thing, once installed, it performs excellently and you won't have to change it out anytime soon. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable mid-length option without overspending. Skip this one if you need something more compact. At $7.99, it's a great price for the quality you're getting. So there you have it, 5 great Rg6 cables for your internet needs. The G-Plug options are fantastic for those who want solid performance, while the Nixto cables provide great versatility at budget-friendly prices. No matter your setup, one of these cables will surely meet your needs.